If you want to recover deleted photos and videos back to gallery on iPad, I just show you. I'm going to show you how we need to do on Photos app and Files app also. First, Photos app, just open that and make sure it's selected to Photos. Then swipe down here, or if you see like this, you just need to click this. Then scroll up. Under Utilities, you can see this option recently deleted. Touch that. Then click View Album and place your Touch ID on the fingerprint. So here you can see your recently deleted photos and videos is like last 30 days. So just click Select and click this circle and recover all. Recover 13. That's it. It's back to Photos app. Here you can see. Now Files app. Open the Files app, and if it like this, you just need to click this. Then you can see this option recently deleted. Click that. Now select all and recover. That's it. So it's back. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPad, watch this playlist.